think if life is a dish, the most important thing that is important in that dish is the balance. If that balance is not there, the dish would be ruined. If the offering is different, if positioning is different, then you have to brand it differently. I cannot have everything branded as Sanjeev Kapoor, because Sanjeev Kapoor is a person, has a limited lifespan.
Some chopped fresh garlic to this.
Like, ask any artist that would they ever dry up with thoughts that what they have to paint now? No, never. The day I'm not motivated to think new recipes, I'll stop this show. I'll stop cooking.
आज क्या बनाऊं मैं आपके लिए? कुछ एकदम बहुत ही सिंपल एंड इट्स डिलिशियस। एक ऐसी चीज जो बनती है इससे।
The way Khana Khazana happened, those were the days when we didn't have a satellite TV channel, and Zee was the first channel that was to be launched. I had now a famous filmmaker, Hansal. He approached me for a show, Hansal Mehta, and he says, "Oh, we are doing this cooking show, and why don't you cook one episode, do some dishes?" I said, "Sounds good." So I said, "What's the name of the show?" And he says, "Oh, Shirman Bawarchi was the name of the show." I said, "No, I don't want to do it." He says, "Why?" I said, "I don't like the name." He said, "What?" I said, "I don't like the name." He said, "But we have many big chefs who have said yes, and you are saying no." I said, "No, I don't want to, unless the name is changed." So he said, "No, you feel so strongly." I said, "I feel so strongly." Then I suggested few names, and one of the names was Khana Khazana.
खाना खजाना देखने वालों को संजीव कपूर का प्यार भरा मौसम, नहीं मौसम नहीं, प्यार भरा नमस्कार।
I saw the ingredients and I cooked two things which I had never cooked before. One was now very famous Sham Savera, and the other was a flambéed chicken dish in orange and confit sauce, and I had done. And that episode became very, very popular. Channel got, I don't know, hundreds and thousands of letters, and the next week the new episode telecast tape did not reach there, and so my episode was related telecast next week also. Same thing happened week after. So for 3 consecutive weeks, same episode which I was doing was telecast, and it reached millions of people, and it worked really well. And since then, I'm doing the show now for what? This is 18th year now, non-stop.
जब तक पूरी तरह से पके नहीं, तब तक इंतजार करें और बारिश का मजा लें। नोट करें इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स, उसके बाद इसका रिकैप। इसके लिए हमें चाहिए 1.25 कप मैदा, 10 ग्राम ताजा यीस्ट, छोटा
Whether it is music, whether it is a beat, whether it's a story, whether it's writing, whether it's a recipe, if it is simple, the chances of it working are high. If you complicate, it may not touch a chord. So when I started showing my recipes, I had to actually unlearn my experience of a professional chef. So I started talking to people as to what they would want to know. I very quickly realized that this medium is not for what I know. This show is all about what people want to know. Either marinate them in one marinade, or you can create 3-4 different marinades.
Okay.
Right?
And the marinades aren't very difficult to do.
Oh, no. See, that's the fun of cooking. You have to keep it simple. I also realized that it is important that you show things from a perspective which would please people, which may surprise people. So, yet it should be simple. So it has to be something which, when they try, it should give them confidence that, oh, I can do it. It's so simple.
A little bit of
oil, and again what you have. Don't complicate life. Get this oil, use that oil.
जो है वो.
जो है वो. Now the methi one.
So 18 years, people often ask me, did you ever think that it will go on? I was asked when it was 2 years, I was asked when it was 5 years, I'm asked when it was 10 years, 15, 18. I think it's like life. You can go on and on and on. And the beauty is that in something like this, you never age.
It's very difficult for me to say when I'm at work, when I'm at home. Some breakfast time, do some omelette and maybe some food.
When he's at home, the kids expect him to make some meal for them. He'll go and ransack the kitchen and the fridge and everything, and then he'll find some new dish. He never repeats a dish. See, even if he's made one dish today which is new, he'll not make the same. You ask him to make the same dish again, it will not be the same. There'll be either some new ingredient or some extra, subtraction from that.
Restaurant style at home. Carrying more than 2 plates.
उसको तो सभी कहते थे बावर्ची बनने का, तो अपने आप ही वो कहता था, कहते कोई नहीं, बल्कि जो चीज अलग करो वो ज्यादा अच्छी है, जो सभी करे वो तो करने का होता नहीं कुछ.
I think every child is very curious that what happens in the kitchens. That's why we would see small kids playing with different things, and that's why we have games like Play-Doh, and I think that was the case with me as well. I was not somebody who was overly excited about kitchen, but yet I was definitely intrigued about things that were happening in the kitchen.
We never eat white bread. It's for years now, for how many years, 5-6 years, we have only been eating brown rice also. Rachita and Kriti also love taste of brown rice, brown bread.
But if someone's coming, then definitely he likes to cook, and he wants to cook, and he will cook because people expect also. So then I just help him with all the shopping and misa and cutting and chopping. Maybe I'll make one dish or something.
I actually, in my early days in my career, I decided that I wanted to become an executive chef within 10 years of my working life. And when I had joined hotels at that time, it looked difficult. It was a tough call, but I was very, very sure that that's what I wanted to do, and I was working towards that. 1992, I came to Mumbai. I remember one of my first big banquets. The F&B manager, he took me. He said, "Oh, okay, let me make you meet some people." And those were the days. I remember Ashiki was a big success, and I had not even heard of Ashiki. So he made me meet this hotshot music duo, Nadeem Shravan. I had not heard of. So meet Nadeem, meet Shravan. I looked at it, hello. After some time, he had made me meet 3-4 people. He took me aside. He said, "What's wrong? You're not even reacting." I said, "So what am I supposed?" He said, "These guys, all these, they are so big." We had big banqueting venue, so I got a taste of glamour fairly soon in this city, thanks to that hotel.
सभी देखने वालों को संजीव कपूर का प्यार भरा नमस्कार. चीनी जितना यूज करो और चीनी जैसा स्वाद पाओ. इस अचार की खूबियां लाजवाब. एक बार में WHO ORS का पूरा पैकेट बनाएं. I use sugar free Natura. अब आपकी बारी चैलेंज की, स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाने की, खजाना 1, 2, 3 के साथ.
In last 18 years, I think I have only done 8 brands. I could have done hundreds. But I'm very, very particular, very choosy about the products, brands that I endorse. I thoroughly test that in our kitchen, home. So I think if I'm popular, if people have trust in me, if people believe me, if I can tell people to use products, let's say like sugar-free Natura, which is made from sucralose, if I can influence them, I think I should do that.
इतने साल बाद भी जब वो गाजर का हलवा बनाते हैं तो टेस्ट बिल्कुल वही.
कोई फर्क नहीं. फर्क है 400 कैलोरीज का. क्योंकि इसे बनाया है शुगर फ्री नेचुरा के साथ। मिठास चीनी जैसी, लेकिन कैलोरीज बिल्कुल नहीं।
Of course, it's something which gives me extra money. No two ways about it. I don't do this for free. But I think there is some sense of responsibility that I have. If through these endorsements I can fulfill that responsibility, it gives me some sense of achievement as well. So when I said yes to Jhalak Dikhla De, I was conned into it. It's not something which, see, I could not dance at all. My wife, Aliona, she loves to dance, and so there have been times when she wants to dance, and because I don't know how to dance, it is very embarrassing. So when they came to me, they said, this is a format of show where you'd be taught how to dance, and then it's a competition. Actually, at that time, many of my friends, one person who heads a PR agency, he called me, he says, you must be mad. The people look at you with such great respect. You are known for your strengths. Why do you want to showcase your weaknesses? When everybody told me that, no, this is not what you should be doing, I became a chef. So I write my own rules, I follow them, and I don't care what people think or say.
मूंग दाल हलवा नया शुरू किया? हाँ, वहीं का काफी चौक का था। ओके, और यहाँ पे नया क्या है? या सब नई चीजें वहाँ पे मरिम्मा में होती हैं? Here I've come to dhaba because it has a taste of north. In Mumbai it's difficult to get taste of good North Indian food, and this place helps because it's not only serves great food but also belongs to a friend. So the comfort factor is also very important, because when I go out to places, especially within India, people are always on the edge. How would I react? What would I say? Am I critical? But in places like this, I can be at home. So I know there are so many people, people who have restaurants. They keep on calling me, why don't you come? You never come. And I say, no, I hardly go out, which is also a fact. So to some extent, you could say that eating out in India for me is an exception.
I'm talking early 80s. This is a hotel which I would not name, and there's this cook chef who was old school. He was fairly frustrated, and he was cooking chana masala in bulk, and that was my first day in a large hotel as a trainee. And that person was so frustrated. He not only was cooking that, he wiped the table, and in that big pot of where chana was cooked, he actually squeezed all the thing into it. I was so livid. I created such a big noise. I was out of that hotel same day, and I'm talking 5-star hotel. So I made a promise to myself that wherever I work, I would change not only the way people look at kitchen. I would change all perception. I'll make sure that kitchen is a better place to work in. The profile of the kitchen, the chefs that are there in the kitchen, everything for them has to become better, because no chef is ever frustrated to do this kind of a thing. They should not have this kind of negativity which turns them towards such an act. And since then I've been trying to do that.
थोड़ा चेंज होना चाहिए। तो अभी बुफे में और चिली क्यू में चेंज कर रहे हैं। कब आया था ये मटन? सप्लाई चला है। फ्रीज करने के बाद बनाओगे तो कभी वो टेस्ट नहीं आएगा। All our restaurants are on franchise model, so we give them the brand and the expertise. we don't do the day-to-day management. We don't manage our restaurants. Actually, none of our restaurants we manage. So the franchisee hires all the team and we train their team. And obviously, we would do hand-holding when it comes to the franchisees. We'll tell them what kind of experience the chefs should have, what should be their basic qualification, what kind of studies they should have done. The basic quality in a person that we look for is that person should have a positive attitude. That person also should be willing to learn.
I think he's the only chef who understands the definition of the word brand. So from day one, when he started doing Khana Khazana, he knew what he is up to. And from that day itself, he is very focused. He knows which steps to take, and he is very slowly but steadily, he is reaching towards his goal. And his goal is to make Indian food as #1 food in the world, and to do that, he is doing his small things in a big way.
Khazana King launches Khazana Masala.
तो चलिए इनसे पूछते हैं इनकी चिकन करी का राज। अरे ये क्या है?
ये अब आपकी बारी चैलेंज की, स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाने की, खजाना 1, 2, 3 के साथ।
So when I started becoming little known, there would be people who would ask me, so we watch your recipe on show, it's very nice, we cook it, we can go to your restaurants also, we can eat, we can buy your books. But if we are cooking something, if we want to do something which is ours, can we get taste of Sanjeev Kapoor in that? Something that we have done, yet the hand-holding is, so I say you follow the book. He said, no, it's something where we can get your touch. That's how it started. And now we sell in India, overseas, and we'll be, God willing, try to make it bigger.
See, that's the fun of cooking. You have to keep it simple. Just season with salt. This is Amritsari kulcha.
See, I have always believed in power of cooking. To me, this is such a power, and especially in Indian homes with Indian women, it is a power which actually does not pay. It is something which is looked by women who have to cook day in and day out as a pain. When you are a chef, by design, you have to do everything. If you hold this, you come to know that, wow, this is something I want to cook in. So what we do at Wonder Chef is we teach women some specialized recipes, and we teach them in specialist products, in kitchenware. So let's say we have high-end non-stick cookware. So we would teach how to cook a very good simple recipe using Wonder Chef products. So what we do is we enable them to learn something and then ask them to train more people. And when they train those other set of people who could be their family and friends, when they do that, we also give them an opportunity to sell Wonder Chef products. So it is, Wonder Chef enables people, essentially women, to learn how to cook better and yet create a business of their own.
He gave respectability to a field which till then was not respectable. And I think that's a huge contribution for a person to make. When he joined catering college, I'm sure it was not a glamorous thing, and you know, people around him also would have felt, ye kya bawarchi ban gaya. And today it's really Sanjeev who has single-handedly given this profession a lot of respectability, and so many families now could have their children going into one more field.
आज हम बना रहे हैं कुछ पत्थर के सनम, नहीं, पत्थर के कबाब.
24/7 food on TV? Ambitious. And imagine that I started thinking and working on it 7 years ago. Anybody I went to, they looked at me and they said, nah, that's not something which... I think you are obsessed with food and that's why you're thinking like this. But I always believed in this. I'm really excited. I know that this is something which will be path-breaking. Sanjeev Kapoor outside the kitchen is a mystery, is for people to unfold. People should always think, what is Sanjeev Kapoor up to next? What is he going to do? I would do things that you would not expect me to do. And that's Sanjeev Kapoor.